Om Shanti. Today Murli, 27 December 2020. Heading line is The Way to Make Your Past, Present and Future Elevated. Today the great-great-grandfather Brahma and God, the Father Shiva, are giving greetings of blessing from their hearts to their sweet and extremely lovely children. Bap Dada knows how elevated and great each and every long lost and now found child is. The greatness and purity of every child continue to reach the Father number wise. Today, all of you have specially come to celebrate the new year with zeal and enthusiasm. In order to celebrate, people of the world ignited unused lamps or candles. They celebrate by igniting them, whereas Bapdada is celebrating the new year with the countless lamps who are already ignited. He does not light those who have been extinguished or blow out those who are ignited. No one except the Father and you children can be celebrate the new year in this way, in a gathering of 100 and 1,000 of such ignited spiritual lights. This is such a beautiful scene of a spiritual gathering of sparkling lamp. Each one's spiritual lamp is sparkling constantly and steadily. One Baba in each one's mind is enabling all your spiritual lamp to sparkle. You have the one world, you have the one thought, and you have a constant and stable stage. This is what it means to celebrate. This is what it means to become that and make others that. At this time, it is the confluence of both farewell and greetings. It is farewell to the old and greetings to the new. All of you come here at this confluence, therefore, congratulations for bidding farewell to your old thought and sanskar, and also congratulations for flying with new zeal and enthusiasm. The present moment will become the past after a short time. The year that you are now passing through will become the past after midnight. The moment now is called the present and tomorrow is the future. The play of the past, present and future continues to take place. Use all these three words in this new year in a new way. How? Let the past become passed by, always passing with honors. Of course, it will be past is past, but how are you going to pass through it? You say that the time passed by, that this scene passed by. However, did you pass through that whilst passing with honors? You made the past become the past, but did you pass through the past in such a elevated way that as soon as you remember the past, the word Vaha Vaha emerged from your heart? Did you make the past become the past in such a way that others can learn a lesson from your story of the past? Let your past become the form of a memorial. Let it become a devotional song. That is, let it be worth singing praise of, just as devotees on the path of devotion continue to sing devotional song of your actions. The song of praise of your actions are even now creating the livelihood of many souls. In this new year, let every thought and every moment become the past in this way. Do you understand what you have to do? So Baba is saying, let the situation or let the person, let the past is past. Any thought or any circumstance cannot distribute you, the soul, to this blessing. May you be an invaluable jewels who spend every second and every thought in an invaluable way. Even 1 second of confluence has a great value, just as you receive 100,000 in return for one. In the same way, if even 1 second is wasted, then 100,000 are wasted. So, pay this much attention and finish all carelessness. There is at present no one to account for anything, but after some time there will be repentance because this time has a lot of value. Those who use their every second and every thought in an invaluable way become invaluable jewels. So Baba saying, spend your thought, time, each and every second in a valuable way. Slogan: those who are always Yog-yukt experience receiving cooperation and become victorious jewels. Those who are always Yog-yukt experience receiving cooperation and become victorious soul.